What's up, family? It's your boy, Pastor Dre. And today, I want to walk you through step by step on how you could build a WordPress website from scratch for your church for free. Get comfortable, get yourself something to drink. Let me get a little comfortable right here. It's going to be a good little teaching. I'm going to show you how to build a nice website. Matter of fact, let me show you how the website is going to look. Let me see if I can load it up for you. Let's see here. We're going to go there. We're going to share the screen. Okay. Then I'm going to go on over here. And then let me type it in real quick. This is how the website is going to look. Nice website, huh? Isn't that nice? I'm going to show you how to build one like this for scratch, from scratch. My goodness. And for free. So it's going to be rocking. And check it out. You got a nice little image here. Got your watch us live button. You got a few images here. Welcome to the cool church, but you could customize that, make it say whatever you want. And then you could put a nice little welcome video. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do all this. So get comfortable. Are you ready like Freddy to rock steady? Let's do this like Brutus as God takes us through this. We ain't new to this. All right, real quick, fam, what I want you to do in order to get started, I want you to go ahead and go to my website right here, PastorDre.com. Once you go there, I want you to go ahead and click where it says free website. Just click right there. Boom. Once you click free website, it's going to take you to a page that looks just like this. Now, you need to decide on a domain name. Okay, a domain name is like yahoo.com, google.com, facebook.com. But now this is going to be a free website, so you won't have your main domain. You're going to have what's called a subdomain. So a subdomain is like your website name and then .siterubix.com. So for example, if I had the On Fire Church, my main domain could be theonfirechurch.com. But a subdomain is theonfirechurch.siterubix.com. Now, being that it's free, you're going to have a subdomain, but hey, it's better to get started with the website than not having one at all. So let's go ahead and see whatever domain name you want to choose. Let's see if it's available. I'm going to say, let me see, website. No, my church website. Let me see if that's available. My church website. But it needs to be available. See, that's not available. So let's try church website. If that's available. Nope. See, church, let's see, church website or the cool church. Let me think of a church name. How about the Radical Church? Radical Church. There we go. Let's try that. The Radical Church.siterubix.com is available. All right. So now once that is available, I want you to go ahead and click build my free website. And then you're going to get a page that looks just like this. Okay. And it's going to pop up. It's going to ask you for your email. It's going to ask you to enter your name, then choose a username, and then choose a password. You say, Pastor Dre, why is it asking me for all this stuff? Let me explain to you what it is real quick. The reason it's asking you for all this stuff is because you're going to join an online community. And this community walks you through on how to build websites, how to get traffic to your website, how to optimize your website so you rank high in the search engines. So that's what this community is. It's like a Facebook community, but for those that build websites and want to get traffic to your website, and for those that want to have an online business. But we're going to use it for our church. So that's why it's asking you to fill all this stuff in. So let's go ahead and get back to that page. I want you to go ahead and fill in your email, your name, choose a username, and choose a password. Now I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. Once you enter all your information, click right here where it says go to my account now. Click that. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. And once you click that, it's going to take you to a page that looks just like this. Okay. All right. Then what I want you to do is click right here where it says free domain. You click there. Then it's going to say choose a domain name for your website. We already chose it. We made sure it was available. So go ahead and type that in. I chose the Radical Church. So that was available for me. Cool. Awesome. It's available. Enter a title for your website. The church that is radical. You can put whatever you want. The church that is radical for Jesus. Do that. Okay. And once again, like I said, you can put whatever title you want. Then you want to scroll down here, see where it says choose theme. You're only going to have one. I have a lot because I'm a premium member, but you're only going to have one. So go ahead and click choose theme, and then you're going to click build my website. So go ahead and click right there. Now, here's the cool thing. Once this is done installing, you have a website. This is not like, you have to wait a few days or anything. Once this is done installing, you will have a website up and running at your domain. So for example, my domain is theradicalchurch.siterubrics.com. Once this is done installing, it's going to be live on the web and people can visit your website. Isn't that cool? So let's go ahead and get back to that now. I'm going to go back to the page. All right. And it's official. It's done. So once you get this page, you're going to get one similar to the one I got. I want you to click login now. Click that right there. Okay. Now, once you click that, it's going to take you to a page that looks just like this. And this is where all the fun takes place. Now, remember, our goal is to build a website that looks like this. Right now, to see how your website looks, all you have to do is go up here, see where it says visit site. You want to right click that and then open it in a new tab. Okay, because you don't want to close this. This is where we're going to do the work at. So if we go there and we find that new tab we just opened, that's how our website looks right now. Not too fancy, but I'm going to show you how to build a one that looks like this. Let's go. All right. So this is our existing website, and this is our goal website. So let me go ahead and close this, and let me close my website. All right. First thing I want you to do is I want you to go to settings. Click on it. And then I want you to go where it says writing. Click right there. And then I want you to go where it says block editor. Tick that. And where it says yes, I want you to tick that. Go ahead and scroll down and click save changes. All right. Next thing I want you to do is I want you to go to where it says appearance, customize. Go ahead and click that. And then that's going to take you to a page that looks like this. What I want you to do is I want you to click where it says site identity. Make sure hide site title is ticked. Make sure hide site tagline is ticked. And go ahead and click publish. All right. Then we're going to click the X up here. All right. And let's go ahead and visit our website. This is our website here. Let's click refresh by clicking this circle thing. Boom. There you go. All right. Now we just made some slight changes, nothing too fancy just yet. Next thing I want you to do is I want you to go where it says pages. And we're going to start adding some pages to our website. Go ahead and delete where it says sample page. Delete that. The way you do that is just click trash. Clock. Done. All right. So let's add our home page. So where it says add new, click that. I want you to click it. And this page is going to pop up right here. When that page pops up, you could close that. And then where it says add title, click right there. And then type in the word home. Okay. And then click publish and publish again. Okay. Then I want you to click the W and then click add new again. And the next page that we're going to add is going to be our live webcast page. So go ahead and click where it says add title and type in live webcast. Boom. And click publish and publish again. All right. Now click the W and let's add another page. Let's add our blog page. So once you click add new, it's going to take you to a page that looks just like this. And I want you to click where it says add title and type in the word blog. And then you click publish once and publish again. Okay, once that's done, click the W, click add new again. And now we're going to add a podcast page. So once this page loads up, we're going to click where it says add title. I want you to type in the word podcast. Publish and publish again. Next page we're going to add is our small groups page, or for some of you, it might be your ministries page, your life groups page, your cell groups page. They're called different things, Bible studies, whatever you want to call them. In this case, we're going to call them small groups. So go ahead and click the W. We're going to add that small groups page. So I'm going to click add new. Okay. And then I'm going to type in the word small groups where it says add title. So let's go ahead and type in small groups and click publish once and publish again. Now, the last page we're going to add, I want you to click the W. I want you to click add new. The last page we're going to add is a contact us page. So right where it says add title, I want you to type in the word contact us. and then go ahead and click publish and publish again. All right. So now you have just added 6 pages to your website. Click this W right there. And let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now there is a privacy policy page. You could keep that on your website. Don't delete it. Keep it there. All right. Now to see our website, we're going to go to our website and we're going to click refresh. And there's our 6 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, somebody. We're already making progress. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to change it from looking like a blog to a website. For right now, it looks like a blog. You have Hello World, you have this stuff on the side. If we look at our the website we're trying to go for, it doesn't have stuff on the side. So how do you get it to look like a website instead of a blog? What you want to do, go back to your dashboard. And I want you to go where it says appearance. Okay. I'm sorry, not appearance. You go to settings. Go to settings right here, right there. And then you want to click reading right there. Okay. And see where it says your latest post and a static page below. I want you to click a static page, select below. Click that. For your home page, I want you to go ahead and select home. For your post page, I want you to select blog and then click save changes. Okay. Now, when we refresh our website, watch what happens. Boom. It looks like a website now. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this home and we're going to get rid of this stuff on the side here. How do you do that? Go back to your dashboard, go to pages, and then you want to go where it says home, edit, block editor. Go ahead and click right there. Okay. It's going to load up. Once it's done loading up, there's your page. I want you to go where it says home. See that little I? Click that. That's going to get rid of the word home. Come over here to the right. See where it says sidebar layout? I want you to select no sidebars. And then I want you to click update. Okay, let's go to our website. This is our existing website. Click refresh. There you go. You have a blank page. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add this picture in the back. Where you do that is you're on your home page now. Okay, this is how our website looks right now. And this is our dashboard. Now, once again, to get here, I'm going to click the W. You're in your dashboard. Get familiar with that term dashboard. And we're going to work on our home page. Whenever you want to work on a page, you just click edit block editor of that page. Okay, so we want to work on our home page and we clicked edit block editor. Now, the way you add that image in the back is you want to click this black plus and you want to type in the word cover. Okay, cover. COVER and select cover. Now I have an image on my computer that I'm going to upload. You can upload any image you want. If it's your pastor preaching, people fellowshipping outside the church, people in worship, however you want to do it. And I'm just going to go to upload and I'm going to grab the image from my hard drive. So let me go ahead and get that image from my hard drive. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, then I'm going to go here. Boom, let me get my little pictures. All right, and then I'm going to go for this image here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and load it up. It's going to take a little time. I think it's a pretty big image. There it is. And I'm going to click update. Now, here's the cool thing. If I click on the image, see how this option popped up? Now, if I move this circle up or down, look at the image. It moves with me. So I'm going to move it about right there. Then I'm going to click update. Then I'm going to go to our existing website. I'm going to click refresh. There's the image. But if you notice, this website, the image goes all the way across. This one is stopping in the middle. How do you get it to go all the way across? Go back to your dashboard. Select this image. Make sure it's selected. And then what you want to do is you want to click on the top right there. See how I clicked on, not on the image, but on the top. And then you come over here to the right. See where it says sidebar layout? You want it to say no sidebars. Scroll down where it says content container. I want you to select that and select full width. And then click update. Now we're going to go back to our existing website. Click refresh. And there you go. Nice, huh? So we're making progress. Now, how do you put writing on here? See how this says My Cool Church? The name of our church is the Radical Church. So how do we get this image to have writing on it. Go back to your dashboard. See where it says write title? You click on that. And you start typing. Radical Church. Boom. If you want to make it bold, you just highlight the text, click this B, and it bolds it. You want to make it bigger, you come over here where it says typography. You can go huge, or you can even dial it in by clicking these arrows. Up is bigger, down is smaller. So let's go with what? 55. There we go. Boom. I like that. And then to make the next line underneath where it says join us every Sunday morning at 9 a.m. for a live webcast, all I'm going to do is I'm going to go after the last word. I'm going to click enter and start typing. Join us every Sunday morning for our live webcast. Oh, I need to put the time. Join us every Sunday morning at 9 a.m. for our live webcast. Boom. Okay, then I'm going to highlight it. Okay, and then I'm going to select these lines, and then I'm going to select Align Text Center. There you go. Okay, so I just select the text, select these lines, and Align Text Center. That's it. I want it to be in the center. To make it bigger, you click on the text, come over here and say medium. Come over here and say large. That's too big. If you want to dial it in, you can go down with the arrows. Let's go with 25. I like that. Okay. And then you click update. You come to your website, you click refresh. Ooh, there we go. Now, how do you put the button? What you do, you go to after your last word, click enter, click the plus, black plus, and type in the word button. Okay, boom. And you select the button, and there's your button. It pops up. So now you can type in view live webcast, or we type in whatever you want. Now to put the button in the center, you click the button, you click on it, make sure this box around it shows up. Click these lines, click align center. Ooh, nice. To change the color of the button, you click on the button. See how this options popped up over here? Go to color settings, and your text color is white, and your background color could be green, could be red, whatever button, whatever color you want the button. Ooh, that looks nice. So let's go ahead and click update. Let's go ahead and refresh our website. There you go, the Radical Church. Join us every Sunday morning at 9 a.m. for a live webcast. View live webcast. That's rocking. That's rocking. That even looks better. I like that one. That's rocking. Okay, so how do you put welcome to the cool church? In our case, we're going to put welcome to the Radical Church. You do, go back to your dashboard. Now you come underneath the picture. See the black plus underneath the picture. You click that. And then when that box pops up, I want you to type in paragraph. And select it. Boom. Then you just start typing. Welcome to the Radical Church. Boom. Now, once again, to make it bigger, you click the text. Come on over here. Typography. You could choose medium. You could choose large. Oops, sorry, I did huge. You could choose large. Now to dial it in, to make it bigger, you just go like that. Well, like that. Let's go with 40. And then to center it, you click the text. Click the lines. Align text center. Ooh, there you go. Click update. So let's go ahead and refresh your website by going to it. Click the circle thing here. Now we're making progress. Let's put underneath, they have the church that is on the move for God. We're going to say the church that is radical for Jesus. How do we add that? Go after your last word, click enter, and just start typing. Church that is radical for Jesus. Boom. And click the text. Click the line to make an align text to center it right here. Boom. Click on the text. If you want to make it bigger, come over here to typography. You could choose medium. Let's go with 25. Okay. Then you click update. Go to our website. Click refresh. There you go. That's how I added the text. See that? Pretty cool, huh? Now, let me see if I can get rid of that space on there. See, boom. Let me see if I can get rid of the space. Let me try it out here. Let me see if it'll work. I'm not sure if it'll work. Yeah, no, I don't know how to get rid of that space. Let me see. That's a big space there. Let me try. Let's see. Let me try one more thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come, click enter. Okay, there we go. Then I'm gonna. So what I did is instead of clicking on the outside, you click underneath. There you go, and then it gives you this black plus. Then you click that. Then you type paragraph, and then you can say, wait, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me try some. Sorry about that. Click underneath. You get rid of that. Underneath. Boom. And we're going to say paragraph. And I'm going to write the church that is radical for Jesus. Okay. And let me select the text. Select these lines here. Align text center. And then I click the text. Let's make it bigger. Let's go with large. And then I'm zero it down with these arrows. Let's go maybe to 30 like that and click update. Okay, so then I'm going to get rid of this block here. So I'm just going to backspace, click over here, backspace. Okay, and then updating. So let's take a look at our website. Let's take a look. That looks cool. All right, so now what we want to do is we want to add these 3 images right here. The way you do that, go after the last text, the last word, click enter. And then you want to click the black plus, and you want to type in the word columns, columns. And you select this column thing here, and you want to select the 3 one, 33, 33, 33. Okay. And then you want to select plus, and then type in the word image. Now I have some images on my hard drive. Let's see where it says image. You click that. This is going to give you an opportunity to upload an image. I have 3 images that I designed in Photoshop, nothing fancy, that I'm going to upload. Okay, so I'm going to go to my hard drive and I'm going to grab that image. The first one I'm going to grab is our live webcast image. Boom, there it is. So then I'm going to go here, click the plus, select image, and then I'm going to go upload from my hard drive, and I'm going to upload the podcast image. Okay, then I'm going to go over here to this next box, click image, click upload, and then I'm going to upload the small groups image. Okay, and they're all the same size. And you click update, and you want to make sure they're the same size. So if you have a graphic designer that can give you some nice fancy graphics, that's cool. These are just basic graphics I did in Photoshop. I'm not a graphic designer. Okay, now let's go to our website, click refresh. There you go. But if you notice the pictures are skewed, how do you get them to be straightened out? Like this one's in the middle. The way you do that is you want to go back to your dashboard and you click the image, click the line, click align center. Click the image, click the line, align center. Click the image, click the lines, align center. You click update. All right. And then if you click refresh, there you go. It's in the center. Come on, now it's coming along. That looks nice, no? All right. So now they have writing underneath the images. How do you do that? What you do, go to your image and you click this black plus right here and you select paragraph and you start typing. Tune into our live webcast every Sunday morning at 9 a.m. Boom. Then you click the text. If you want to center it, you click the lines, align text center. Boom. Then you come over to your podcast, click it, click the plus, and you click paragraph, and you can say, check out our church podcast where we discuss topics and the Word of God. Yeah. And then to center it, you click the text, click the lines, align text center. Ooh, nice. Same thing here, small groups. click the plus, click paragraph, and you can start typing. We invite you to connect to one of our small groups throughout the week, or whatever you want to put. Okay, click the text, click the lines, align text center. Click update. Let's go ahead and look at our website. We're going to refresh it. See what we got. There we go. Come on. All right. How do we add the video? How do we add the video? This video right here. The way you do that is you go back to your home page. See this black plus? You want to click that, and you want to type in the word cover, cover. You select cover, and you want to select the color. I'm going to try gray. See how when I chose gray, it did that. And then I'm just going to type welcome to our website. Here is our welcome video. You can put whatever you want. I'm just, doing this for the sake of the webinar. Boom. Welcome to our website. Here's our welcome video. Click update. Let's go ahead and refresh to see how it looks right now with the gray. Nice. Okay, nice. So let's go ahead and add the video. The way you add the video is you click after your last word, click enter, click the plus, and then you type in video. And you see where it says YouTube, you click that. And now I can go to YouTube and get any video I want and put it on my website. So let's go to YouTube, and let me pick a video that I want. So I'm going to go to my channel. And this could be any video that you can upload to YouTube. And YouTube is free. So that's the cool thing. So let me see what video. I'm going to use this one here. Boom. So all you have to do to get the video that you want, see this little plus thing here? You copy that. Now say it's a video, like let me show you. Say it's a video that somebody else's page or your actual video. To upload any video, you just go to that video, see where it says share, you click that, click copy. Then you want to go back to your website, and you take what you copied and you put it right here in this little box. Boom. And you click embed and watch what happens. The video pops up. And you click update. And then you come on over here, you click refresh. There's your nice video. Now that's big. So I'm going to show you how to resize it, because that's kind of big for a video. It's really big. I mean, it's nice, but it's big. So you go back, and then what you want to do is you want to get rid of this one. So you 3 dots, remove block. And then what you want to do is after the word video, you click enter, and then you're going to click the black plus, and I want you to type in the word columns. Okay? And then I want you to select the columns, and then select the 3 columns. Now in the middle, click the plus and click the YouTube. Okay, and then paste that same URL that you got from YouTube in the middle one, and there you go. Your video's smaller now. So let's go to our website. Let's click refresh. Now you have a small video, but that's kind of a little bit too small for me. So to make it bigger, that's why we did the columns. So you click on the left and see this option that popped up where it's right here, it says column settings. You can slide that to the left and watch the video. It gets bigger. So go with about 20, let's say 20. Do the same thing with the one on the right. Slide that to about 20. Watch how the video gets bigger. See? So the bigger you want the video, just change your settings over here. See how it's getting bigger? Click over here. I go down to 20. It gets bigger. Okay, then I click update. If I want the video even a little bit bigger, I can maybe go to 15. So if I go over here, go down to 15. See how it's getting bigger? There we go. There. And then you go to 15. Come on now. There you go. Let me that. Boom. And then you click update. Click refresh. Now it's bigger. Let me get some water real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so you see how it got bigger. That's nice. Let me see if that's too big. That's a little bit too big. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to go with 20. So the bigger you make the number, the smaller the video gets. So let's go ahead and go with 20. Okay, then we'll go over here, go with 20. Do it like that. Boom, and then click update. And then let me refresh. Let me see how that looks. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. And there you go. You got a rocking home page. And you did all this. How much did it cost you? Free. FREE, free. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to link this button and we're going to link these images to the respective pages. How do you do that? To link the button, we want to link this to our live webcast page. So you click the button. See this little link that pops up? You click that. It's going to give you an option to put the URL. Now you want to go to your website. This is our website. Go to your live webcast page by clicking on it. Go to the top and copy that URL. Boom. And then you're going to go back to your website and paste that URL right in that block. Arrow, and you click update. Same thing with the images. Click the image, click the link, and in that box, you're going to put that URL. I'm going to put the same link because they're both connecting to the live webcast page, so I could just keep the same link. And you click the arrow. Now, to connect this to the church podcast page, I go to my website, visit my podcast page by clicking on it, then go to the top and get that URL of the page, go back to the website right here, clicked on the image, clicked on the link, and I'm going to drop that URL right in that box, and then click the arrow. Same thing with the small groups. I'm going to go to my website, visit the small groups page, select the URL, I'm going to copy it, go back to the website, click the image, click the link, and paste that link right there in that box, and click the arrow. I'm going to click update. Now, I'm going to go to my website, go back to the home page by clicking home. And when I click this button here, watch where it takes me to the live webcast page. Go back to the home page. When I click the live webcast page, it takes me to live. It's empty now because we haven't put anything on it, but I'll show you how to do it. Go back to the home page, click church podcast page, takes me to the podcast. Go back to the home. I click small groups, takes me to the small groups page. There you go. So you have linked all your buttons on your home page. Isn't that cool? That's rocking, huh? All right, so now let's build our live webcast page. Let me just get something to drink. To build the live webcast page, you want to go back to your dashboard, click W, and go where it says live webcast and click edit block editor. Now you need to have a YouTube account in order to do a live webcast. You know, I mean, of course you use a different service, but YouTube is free. So the way I'm setting it up is through YouTube. So you need to have a YouTube account. The YouTube account is free. No, okay, it's totally free. So if you have your YouTube account, you log in, and then you go right here where it says this camera with the plus, you click that, and then click go live. Okay. Now, what you want to do, where it says schedule stream, you click that. Okay, and then you're going to go here where it says create new, you click that. Now, today's date is the 21st. So say your service is tomorrow, just say the 22nd of Sunday. So what you want to do is you want to give your service a name. You could say Sunday morning celebration service. Boom. Okay. And you make sure it's public because you want to broadcast it public. Go down to your date here. And we're going to go live on the 22nd. What time is your service? We're going to say ours starts at 9 a.m. So you find 9 a.m. All right. There. Is it for kids? No. And then you click create stream. Boom. It's going to take about 5 or 10 seconds. There you go. Then you click this little image. There's your Sunday morning celebration service. November 22nd. You click the image, and then you click this arrow. And then you want to go here and copy that video link. You want to copy that, go back to your website on your live webcast page, click the black plus, select YouTube video, and then put that link right there in that block and click embed. You now have a live webcast feed. Click update. Let's visit our website by going to our live webcast page and look at there. Isn't that cool? So I can now watch your church services when you broadcast from YouTube. I can watch your church services on your website. That is rocket. Now, the cool thing is if I come to your website and try to watch it, it's going to tell me it's live in 15 hours. Isn't that cool? Now, there's a lot of benefits to broadcasting on your website. I see a lot of churches making the mistake of leading people to social media. Watch us on YouTube, watch us on Facebook. No, you want people to watch you on your website, and there's just so many benefits. That's a whole nother webinar, but you want to lead people to your website. I'll just give you a few reasons. Number one, if I'm watching on your website, I could read your blog. I could check out your podcast. I could even get a list of your small groups. I can contact you. And better yet, you can even put a Give Now button right here, and I can give on your website. Let me show you how to add a Give Now button. So say I go to the live webcast page. Here's the feed, right? If I click this black button and I type in the word button, there you go. I select these two buttons. Boom. So now I can come over here, click where it says download now, take that text out and put Give Now. Boom. I can come over here, change the color of this button. The way you change the color, you go to color settings. I want my text to be white. That's all I want to change. And I'm going to click update. So then I can change this typing to contact us. Contact us. Boom. And I click update. Now, if you have a giving service like PayPal, PayFast, SnapScan, when people click this button, you can make them go to that page. So, for example, say I'm using PayPal. When you set up a service such as a giving service, they give you your own unique link. So all I got to do is click this button, go to this chain right here, link, and type in my own unique link. So just say mine is PayPal. Okay, let's just say that. I'm going to type in paypal.com. Okay, and then I click, you want to make sure that it says open a new tab is selected. So click that. And then you click update. Okay. Now with the contact us, it's going to click on the button, click the link, and then go to my website and visit my what? My contact us page, just like we did the other links. And I'm going to grab this URL. I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to go back to that button, right? Click on the link, and I'm going to put the URL of the contact us right there. Make sure you select open a new tab, click that little arrow to make sure it enters, and click update. So now, here's the cool thing. If I go to my website and I go to the live webcast page, when I'm watching your webcast, you can say, hey, those of you that are watching online, you don't have to put a link in a chat form. You don't have to tell them, go to the chat and click, and it's going to take them to another page and they lose the service, especially on social media. If I'm watching on social media, you got to put the link in the comment section. When I click the link, I leave the service. It's difficult. So now what you could do is if people are watching your service on your website, you can say, and if you're watching online, just click the Give Now button. Now, watch what happens when I click the button. It takes me to a whole nother page. I can give here, but look, I'm still watching your service. I still hear the music playing. That's why I told you to select that part where it says open a new tab. So that's the cool part. So you give, boom, boom, boom. The music's playing during the offering. You can still hear it. Once you're done, you close up the page. You're still in service. I think that deserves a hallelujah. So those are some benefits of you having your live webcast on your own website. I see a lot of churches promoting their website, their webcast. Go to social media. They even make flyers and say, watch us on social media. You want to get people to come to your website. And these are just a few benefits, but there's way more. But there's that's a whole nother webinar. Okay. But the cool thing is, hopefully this has convinced you. Now, if I want to contact you and I'm watching your service, I can contact you. And we're going to put a form on here later on in the webinar where I can just put my information, done, I'm still in the service. You can't do that on social media. All right, let's move on. I think I proved my point. All right, how do you add a blog? Okay, let's go to our website. Let's go to our dashboard. Make sure we're updated. So update all of our changes. Let's go to the W. And the way you add a blog is you go to post, get rid of hello world, go ahead and trash that. And then you just click add new. And we're going to write a blog. We're going to call it my first blog. Okay, you could call it whatever you want, but for the sake of the webinar, I'll just call it my first blog. Boom. There you go. And then you just start typing hello and thanks for stopping by our blog. Here you will read about how God is moving in the lives of his people. Okay, and you could just keep writing on and on and on. I'm just going to keep it short for the sake of the webinar, but just say I was typing a lot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and I'm just going to paste it. Boom. So I'm writing, boom. I'm writing a blog, how God's moving, boom. Right? Writing a blog, boom. I'm writing, boom, boom, boom. I'm writing, boom, 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 boom. Okay. So then I'm done. So I click publish and publish again. And that's it. You now have a blog. So if I go to the website and I visit our blog page, look what shows up. My first blog. If I want to read it, I just click read more. And there you go. That's it. If you want to write another blog, go back to your dashboard. Just click the W, go back to post, and you just click add new. You can even call it my second blog, our testimony from the mission field, praise report. Let's call it testimony from the field. Boom. All right, that's your title. Then the next line, you just start typing. Hello, check out this testimony from the mission field, right? So you just want to write. You just keep writing. For the sake of the webinar, I'll just copy this. So you're writing, God is moving. Boom. Missionaries, God is using our missionaries to impact lives. Boom, 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 boom. Here's a testimony of a young man that was changed from drug addiction. Boom. So you write it all out. When you're done, you click publish, publish again, and you go to your website. You visit your blog. There you go. My first blog, testimony from the field. Now, let me tell you the importance of having a website with a blog. I see a lot of churches again, they have a website, but they have no blog. You want to have a blog because the more you write, the more Google loves that. The more Google loves your website, the higher you're going to rank in the search engines. And that means it's going to get more traffic to your website. And that means more people hearing your message. And that means more people having a chance to get saved. How can they hear unless there's a preacher? How can they hear unless the message goes out? So the more people that hears your message, the more chance they will of getting saved and getting connected to your church. So the more you write, and this is your website, this is your blog, social media, you can write it, but then it's like, people get distracted, read something else. But when I'm on your website, I'm focused and I can read about testimonies. Not only that, say I read a testimony, I get ministered to, I can contact you. You can't do that on social media. I can find out more. I can listen to your podcast. I can even watch your service now. So there's so many benefits of having your own website. And when you write a blog, it just helps you to rank higher in the search engines. And you can write a blog every day if you want. Matter of fact, the more you write, the better. The more you write, the better. So if you have somebody in your church that likes writing, they call it content writing. That needs to be a ministry that you establish if you want to make an impact on the website. That would be an awesome ministry. Well, it doesn't need to be, but it's a good opportunity if you do have a ministry that people write about blogs and put it on your website, because that will take your church to a whole nother level, especially if you have someone that likes to write. Now, it doesn't have to be every day. It could be once a week, even once a month, but just write a blog because it will make a huge difference. But I tell you this, once a month is cool. Once a week is really good. Once a day is better. If you've got somebody that can write every day, then you're rocking. But if you can't do that, once a week is good. But just remember this: the more you write, the better. All right, let's go to the next one. We want to do now. We want to fix we got our home page, we got our live webcast page, we got our blog page. Let's add a podcast page. So we're going to go to pages, and we're going to go to podcast, and we're going to click edit block editor. Now, in order to add a podcast, you need to have a podcast service. Now, you can get some for free. There's Anchor, where you can get a free podcast. Podbean, I believe they have free podcasts. So in order to add a podcast, you need to have a podcast service, but you can get the service for free. I'm with Spreaker, so I'm going to go ahead and go to my Spreaker account. I have an account. I do a podcast every Wednesday called the Rise Up Radio segment. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. Now, once you set up your account, whoever you sign up with, once you do a podcast, you're good to go. And all you need to do is get what's called the RSS feed. Every podcast has one, whether it's free or paid. Every podcast has one. Okay. So what you want to do is go to your podcast. I'm going to go to my podcast, and I want to get, once again, what's called my RSS feed. So I'm going to visit my podcast. Like I said, even if you have a free podcast, they will give you an RSS feed. And you click right here where it says RSS link. Click that. Yours is probably going to be a little different, but just find out where your RSS link is. And then I click copy. Then I'm going to go back to my website. Okay, I'm going to go to the podcast page. And then I'm going to click plus, the black plus, and type in RSS. It's going to give me this option here. And I want to put that link right there and there. And then click use URL. Boom. I update. I go to my podcast. And there it is. Now, it's going to take a little bit of time to load, but by the time we're done with this webinar, it should be loaded up. And the cool thing about an RSS feed is when you update your podcast, it automatically updates on your website. That's it. Now you have a podcast page. Now, let's create a small groups page. Go back to your dashboard, and let me close some of this stuff here. Boom, boom. Let's close the YouTube. Boom. All right, so let's go to W. And we're going to create a small groups page. So you go edit with block editor. Okay. And once the page is done loading, okay, there we go. I want you to click the black plus, and I want you to type in the word columns. And then click that, and then click the 3 columns. Okay, and click update. So now, all you got to do now to add small groups, and I even have a little image that I made. So if you want to add an image, I'm going to click enter after the small groups. I'm going to click enter. I just went after there, click enter. And then I'm going to click the black plus, and I'm going to click image. Then I'm going to go to my hard drive, and I'm going to upload an image that I have. It just says small groups. Pretty cool, huh? Little basic image, nothing fancy. But if you have a graphic designer, they could, somebody could be sitting in the living room, someone reading the Bible, whatever image you want to use for your small groups. Okay, so now I got the image. I got these columns here. Then I want to click this plus, and I want to click paragraph. And I just start typing. I can say name, and say the name is the Cool Small Group. Right? Then I hit enter. Then I put place 1, 2, 3, 4 Trekker Road. Then I put where or time 7 p.m. I could put when every Wednesday. Every Wednesday. And then you could say contact. Okay, brother on fire. Or you spell it right. Contact. You say brother on fire. And then you put his email or whatever. Okay. At PastorDre.com. Okay. There you go. You got your first small group. You click update. Now, for the sake of time, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and copy this and act like this is another small group. So I'm going to copy this information. I'm going to click the plus, click the paragraph, and I'm going to paste it. Okay, same thing here. Click the plus, click the paragraph, and paste it. So those are 3 small groups that you have. And of course, you could change the name. You could call this the radical group. All right, you could call this the blessed small group, like that. And of course, you could change all the information here, the location. So then you just start listing all your Bible studies. Say this one meets on Tuesdays. Huh? Boom. Say this one meets on Fridays. Do it like that. And you can change whatever you want. And you click update. Now, when I go to the small groups page, I click small groups. There's all your small groups. So say I'm watching your service, I get ministered to, and I want to know where your small groups are. There might be one in my area. I could get all the information. I can email the leader of it, and you could customize. It doesn't have to be name. You can make it the group. Instead of place, it could be where. Instead of contact, it could be more information. I'm just showing you the basics. You could customize it to however you want. But that's the benefit of having your own website. Now let's do our last page here. We're going to do what's our last page? Contact us page. Okay, now, if you go to a place called jotform.com, JOTFORM.com, they allow you to have free forms. You get 5 free. Isn't that cool? So if you go there and you see pricing, click on pricing. Starter pack is free. You get 5 forms. There it is. Everything you're doing this webinar, you could do for free. All right, so go ahead and sign up. Once you sign up, it's going to give you 5 free forms. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my account because I already have an account. Once you set up your account and you log in, I want you to go where it says My Forms. And then you're going to have to create a form. I have some already because I'm already a member. I have a paid version, actually. So just click Create a Form, and I'm going to go ahead and go to a form so we can look at the same thing here. Now, you're probably going to have a blank page that looks like this. Just go over here where it says, mine has a contact form already, but you just go where it says Add Form Element. If you want to add name, you just click Name, hold it down, and drag it over. Boom. Now, I'm going to erase it because I already have name. With email, you will click it, drag it over, and drop it. Now you got email. That's it. Same thing with the phone number. Then with how I got this here where it says, how did you hear about us? I scrolled down, see where it says multiple choice. I clicked that, dragged it over, and done. It says type your question. I typed right here where it says type question. How did you hear about us? Boom. Okay, and then option 1, you could say flyer. Option 2, you just click on it, radio. Option 3, you click on it, friend. Option 4, you click on it, TV. You know, whatever options you have. If you want to add another option, just click add option. You could say other. Then you're done. Now I'm going to take this one out because I already have my form here. Okay, and there's your form. And the cool thing about JotForm is it saves it as you make it. So you don't even have to save it. As you make the form, it saves it. Now, how do I get this form on my website? You just go to publish, go over here where it says embed, and you click copy code. Right? Go back to your website. This is your contact us. Want to go to our contact us page. So you go to your W because you want to go back to your dashboard. You go to pages. You go to contact us, edit block editor. You click that. Okay. And then what you want to do after you've copied that code from your form, you want to go here where it says plus, and you want to type in HTML. And you select that right there. And that code you just copied from JotForm, you paste it right there. Once again, this is the code. Copy that code right there. Go back to your website and you put that code in here. You click update. So now when I go to my website and I click contact us, watch what's going to happen. Nice contact us form. There it is. So now you got a home page, rocking. You got a live webcast page. Come on, somebody. What a give now button. That's another level. You got a blog page. Write as often as you can. You got a podcast page. You got a small groups page. And you have a contact us page. And you did all this for free. Look, family, it's your boy, Pastor Dre. I just showed you how to build a 6-page website from scratch in under an hour for free. If you don't have a website for your church, now is the time to get one. You got a home page, live webcast page, podcast page, blog page, small groups page, or some people call them Bible studies, life groups, cell groups, ministry groups, and you have a contact us form, and you've done all that for free. Look, it's 2020. It's time to take your online presence of your church to another level. There's more people online now than ever before. If you don't have a website, it's like you don't even have a building nowadays. Okay, because not only do we have our in-house buildings now we have our online, our in-house audience. Now we have an online audience, and you want to connect with that online audience. The way you do that is you got to establish an online presence. The best way to do that is not with social media; it's with your own website. Look at it like this: social media is rented property. Your website is a building you own. You can do whatever you want. I hope this has helped you out. If you have any questions, hit your boy up. Shoot me an email. Let me see if I can put it up for you. Shoot me an email, Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. That's right. Shoot me an email, Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. I would love to help you out if you have any questions. Let me show you one more time how the website looks. This website is rocking, rocking. Let me show you one more time what you got here. You got a nice home page. Boom. Nice image. Welcome video. You can put the welcome video from your newcomers team. Your pastor could give a shout out. Your PR person could give a shout out, say thanks for stopping by our website, whatever video you want to upload. And then you got a live webcast page where you can broadcast your services live from YouTube, but on your website. And you got a blog page. You can write as much as you want. You got a podcast page. Come on, somebody, a podcast page. You got a small groups page where you can list all your small groups. And you got a contact us page. There it is, a rocking 6-page website. Family, if you got any questions, hit me up. I gave you my email. I want to try to help you out. It's your boy, Pastor Dre. Thanks for tuning in. God bless you.